A former cafe owner taught me this perfect cappuccino for cold weather. Let's start by adding 10 tablespoons of powdered milk to a container. Then add 5 tablespoons of chocolate powder. I'm using 50% cocoa, but you can use Nesquik or even Ovomaltine. Now add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of instant coffee. Half a teaspoon each of cinnamon and baking soda. Now let's give it a quick stir. I'll cover this container and mix it again. I'll open it and add some sugar. If you're using Nesquik or Ovaltine, you can skip this step. I used about 5 tablespoons of sugar here. I'll mix it again. Now let's grab a mug. We'll add 2 tablespoons of our homemade cappuccino mix. Then pour hot water over it until covered. Next, stir it really well. And there you have it, folks. Our cappuccino is ready. Just look how amazing it looks. Trust me, it doesn't get better than this. Try it at home, guys. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks a lot.